Hello, we're PEGS Industries. I'm Samuel,
I'm Ethan.
I'm Philip.
I'm Garrett.
and we're going to be talking about the virtual shoe. And
So this is the problem we chose. How will the Ohio Stadium remain entertaining for the next 100 years? So these are some Google Trends data for OSU. And you can see that it has a similar search pattern as OSU football. And people who search for virtual reality has also increased since 2016. Similarly, this is a search for live stream, and as you can see, it's increasing throughout the years.
And just thinking about it, the number of seats at the Ohio Stadium is not increasing, but the amount of virtual seats or the virtual market will be increasing rapidly in the future. And Ohio Stadium needs to take advantage of this market and increase viewership online.
PEGS Industries is proposing a new solution to bring a virtual experience to the shoe and reach a broader audience. This solution can grow as marketing techniques and technologies change in the future.